Hello everybody, I'm Abby and welcome back to my channel. There's something magical about camping in nature. The pine scent, the campfire, the escape from daily life. But let's be honest, summer heat can turn that magic into misery fast. Today, I'm sharing my top 10 tips to help you stay cool, comfortable, and truly enjoy your summer camping adventures. These are the secrets that turn a sweaty ordeal into a refreshing escape. Ready to unlock the secrets to a perfectly cool summer campout? Let's get started. The foundation of a cool camping trip? Choosing the right campsite. Shade is your best friend. Look for sites under tall, mature trees. Check campsite maps and reviews for info on which spots get morning or afternoon shade. Avoid sites exposed to the afternoon sun when temperatures peak. If possible, pick a spot near water for a natural breeze. A little planning here makes a huge difference in your comfort. Combine shade and airflow for the ultimate cool retreat. Once you've found your spot, you're ready to set up for maximum comfort. Let's talk about how to position your tent for the best results. On to the next step. You've picked a shady site. Now let's get strategic with your tent placement. Set up where your tent will be shaded during the hottest hours, usually 2-5 p.m. Avoid ground that's been baking in the sun. Shaded ground stays cooler. Face your tent's doors or windows toward the breeze for natural ventilation. This simple setup keeps your tent from turning into an oven. It's all about working with nature, not against it. A well-placed tent means better sleep and a more enjoyable trip. Now let's add another layer of sun protection. Ready for a game-changing upgrade? Here's how to shield your tent from the heat. Summer camping can be an amazing experience, connecting you with nature and creating lasting memories. But let's face it, the summer heat can sometimes be a real challenge. That's why it's time to introduce a true summer camping game changer, a reflective sunshade or tarp. This simple piece of gear can make a world of difference in keeping your tent cool and comfortable. The key is to create a barrier between your tent and the direct sunlight. Hang a reflective tarp a foot or two above your tent. This creates a crucial air gap that allows for ventilation. The reflective surface of the tarp works like a mirror, designed to bounce the sun's rays away before they even reach your tent. This significantly reduces the amount of heat absorbed by your shelter. Now, a common mistake is to lay the tarp directly on your tent. Avoid doing this. It's essential to leave an air gap for airflow. Without it, the heat can get trapped, making your tent even warmer. The air gap allows for natural convection, drawing hot air away from the tent and promoting cooler temperatures inside. This simple yet effective setup can lower your tent's temperature by several degrees, making a noticeable difference in your comfort level, especially during those scorching afternoons. But the benefits don't stop there. As a bonus, it creates a shaded outdoor living area right next to your tent. This shaded space is perfect for relaxing with a book, playing games, or even cooking meals without being directly exposed to the sun's harsh rays. When choosing a tarp, invest in a lightweight, reflective tarp specifically designed for camping. These tarps are easy to pack, set up, and provide excellent sun protection. This small investment will give you a huge comfort boost, allowing you to enjoy your camping trip to the fullest, even when the temperatures soar. To maximize the cooling effect, combine this with a shady site, ideally under trees, and smart tent placement, orienting your tent to minimize sun exposure. This combination creates a triple cool effect, ensuring your campsite remains a comfortable oasis even on the hottest days. Now that your shelter is set and you've created a cool and comfortable environment, let's shift our focus and talk about keeping your body cool and comfortable throughout your summer camping adventure. When it comes to staying cool, the right clothing makes all the difference. Choosing the appropriate fabrics and styles can significantly impact your comfort level in the heat. So, let's dive in and explore how to dress for summer camping success, ensuring you stay cool, comfortable, and protected from the sun. When you're out in the wilderness, battling the elements, your clothing isn't just a fashion statement, it's your personal cooling system. It's the first line of defense against the sun's relentless rays and the sweltering heat. Think of it as a high-tech climate control system, custom designed to keep you comfortable and safe. The first rule of staying cool? Choose light-colored clothes. Light colors are your allies in the fight against the sun. They reflect sunlight and keep you cooler, preventing your body from absorbing excessive heat. Imagine wearing a white shirt as a shield, bouncing those scorching rays away. On the other hand, skip heavy cotton and denim. These materials trap heat and moisture, turning your clothes into a personal sauna. Instead, opt for moisture-wicking fabrics like nylon, polyester, merino wool, or bamboo. These materials are engineered to pull sweat away from your skin, acting like tiny sponges that soak up moisture and then release it into the air, helping it evaporate and cool you down. And don't underestimate the power of loose, flowy clothes. They allow air to circulate freely around your body, creating a natural breeze that wicks away moisture and allows heat to escape. Don't forget, wide-brimmed hats and sunglasses protect you from the sun's harmful rays, preventing sunburn and heat stroke. Dress smart, and your body will thank you. You'll be able to enjoy your outdoor adventures without feeling like you're trapped in a furnace. But staying cool isn't just about what you wear. What you drink is just as important. Hydration is your next line of defense. It's the fuel that keeps your internal cooling system running smoothly. So, let's dive into the essentials of staying hydrated. Here's how to keep your cool from the inside out, ensuring you stay refreshed and energized throughout your outdoor escapades. Hydration is non-negotiable for summer camping. Drink water consistently. Don't wait until you're thirsty. Keep a water bottle handy and sip every 15-20 minutes. On hikes, bring more water than you think you'll need. Replenish lost electrolytes with sports drinks, electrolyte tablets, or salty snacks. Infuse water with cucumber, lemon, or mint for a refreshing twist. Freeze water bottles before your trip for ice-cold drinks later. Prioritize hydration to stay energetic and safe. Now let's talk about pacing yourself in the heat. Knowing when to rest is just as important as staying hydrated. Here's how to use the power of the pause. Don't try to power through the hottest part of the day. Take intentional breaks in the shade, especially from 1-4 p.m. Listen to your body. If you feel tired or overheated, rest. Use this time to relax, read, nap, or just enjoy the breeze. A midday siesta helps your body recover and keeps you cool. Cultures in hot climates have done this for centuries. It works. Resting now means more energy for evening adventures. While you're relaxing, a few simple gadgets can make your break even better. Let's check out some little luxuries for instant coolness. Here's how to upgrade your comfort with a few smart tools. Sometimes you need a little extra help to beat the heat. Portable fans are lightweight, rechargeable, and can hang in your tent or sit on your table. They create airflow and help sweat evaporate, cooling you down fast. Cooling towels are another must-have. Just wet, wring, and snap for instant relief. Drape them over your neck or head for a quick cool down. These gadgets are small but make a big difference in comfort. Keep them handy for hikes, rest breaks, or even around the campfire. Now let's talk about planning your day to avoid the worst heat. Here's how to sync your schedule with nature's rhythm. Align your activities with the coolest parts of the day. Get up early for hikes, bike rides, or paddling. Mornings are cool and beautiful. Take a midday break to rest and recharge in the shade. As the sun lowers and temps drop, enjoy a second round of activities. Short walks, swims, or gathering firewood. This schedule lets you explore and relax without battling the heat. Flow with nature's rhythm for a safer, more enjoyable trip. And don't forget, what you eat matters too. Let's talk about fueling your body wisely for summer comfort. Here's how to eat to stay cool and energized. Heavy hot meals make you feel sluggish and warmer. Choose light, fresh foods. Think salads, wraps, and chilled pasta salads. Snack on hydrating fruits and veggies like watermelon, cucumbers, and oranges. Keep meals simple and minimize cooking to avoid heating up your campsite. For dinner, grill quick cooking proteins or make veggie foil packets. Eating light keeps your energy up and your body cool. Now for one last tip. Let's make sure your tent stays breezy all night. Here's how to maximize airflow for restful sleep. When you're out camping, especially during warmer months, ventilation is absolutely key to maintaining a cool and comfortable tent environment. A stuffy tent can quickly become unbearable, leading to restless nights and an overall unpleasant experience. One of the simplest and most effective ways to improve ventilation is to fully utilize your tent's mesh windows. Open these mesh windows wide. Don't forget the doors. Keep them open, especially if they also have mesh layers, to really let the air move freely through the tent. Creating cross-ventilation is the goal here. If the weather is cooperating and it's dry outside, consider removing the rainfly completely, especially at night. This exposes the mesh inner tent, providing maximum airflow and an unparalleled opportunity for stargazing right from the comfort of your sleeping bag. It's a truly magical experience. Now, if you do need the rainfly for protection against rain or dew, it's still possible to improve airflow. Make sure to stake it out properly, creating a gap between the rainfly and the tent body. This gap allows air to flow underneath the rainfly, helping to reduce condensation and keep the inside of your tent drier and cooler. Many tents also come equipped with built-in vents, often located near the top of the tent or in the rainfly. Be sure to use these vents. Strategically position your tent so that these vents face into the prevailing breeze. This will help to scoop up the cool air and direct it into the tent. Implementing these small tweaks to your tent setup can make a huge difference in your overall camping experience. They significantly improve both comfort levels and help to control humidity inside the tent, preventing that sticky, uncomfortable feeling. Think of your tent as needing to breathe, just like you do. You want to help it inhale that refreshing cool air from the outside and efficiently exhale the warm, stale air that accumulates inside. With good airflow circulating through your tent, you'll find that you sleep much better at night, and you'll wake up feeling refreshed and ready to tackle the day's adventures. Now let's wrap up with a quick recap of these ventilation tips and send you off well-equipped to camp in comfort, no matter the weather. There you have it, 10 essential tips for a cool, comfortable summer campout. From smart site selection to hydration, rest, and ventilation, it's all about working with nature. I hope these tips inspire you to get outside and make amazing memories this season. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more outdoor tips. Thanks for joining me now. Go forth, stay cool, and enjoy your adventure. See you in the next video. Thank you.